It's a level 3 snowstorm here in northwest Ohio. I was just getting off work. I work from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. to 6:30 a.m. The 16th day of February 2021. Level 3 snowstorm. I was reading as I was warming my SUV up, a Nissan Juke, SUV, that there's 400 schools. 400 schools that's closed. It's a level 3. The roads are not safe. You shouldn't be on the roads unless you have to be on the roads. If you don't have to be on the roads, let the snowplow drivers and the salt trucks do what they're paid to do because it's very dangerous. I'm in Perrysburg, Ohio, Wood County. It's a level 3 snowstorm. It's coming down hard. I'm not sure what one of my supervisors told me at work. He was talking to an employee. We're working in building number 2. I'm working building number 1 most of the time, but they use me in building number 2 today. We have 3 buildings where I'm working for one company, very large facility. And he said he was speaking to one of the men there. They started working at 10 p.m. They heard this snowstorm is going to last until noon today. It's just 6:32 a.m. So that's 5 hours, 28 minutes more of this. These people are dating these streets clean. It's dangerous. These are very dangerous roads. It's a very slow, safe ride home. It's 6:45 at this moment. On the opposite side of the street here on Anthony Wayne Trail in the city of Miami, Ohio, there's 2 salt trucks. So they're going north on Anthony Wayne Trail. There's nothing out here. Right now the roads are not safe. Look at these roads. Look at these streets. If you're going to be out today, be safe and careful. It's not just here in Ohio with this emergency level 3 snow. It's a part of the United States. On my break, my lunch break, my 2 15-minute breaks at work, I was watching world news. Half the country is underneath this snow advisory. This winter snow advisory. The snow was very late this year. It was in January, and I was telling people I know, my friends, my colleagues, this is a very weird winter. No snow. And they said February haven't came yet. And in February came, we have this beautiful white stuff. Some people call it white gold. Plow truck drivers just love it. Ride share like Uber and Lyft, they just love it because who want to wait at a bus stop in this? Who want to walk in this? And if you're a Lyft driver, you're an Uber driver, be careful, safe. Try to make a living, a income. But sometimes there's people out there with bad intentions. look at my camera, I shouldn't be, because Ohio have new laws they try to pass. You cannot look at your videos, and you cannot look at a video. You cannot look at a recording by driving. Police officers can stop you for it, but they say police must have another reason to stop you besides just looking at a video. You have to be swerving or making turns without using turn signals, and etc. But I am almost home. I'm gonna tell you, I drove from Perrysburg, Ohio to where I am right now. It's 6:51 a.m. 400 school closing. I think they should just close every school. This is dangerous. And even if our schools that's opened, and then somehow the kids, the students get to school, what if their teachers could make it? You know, teachers are just like police officers, and firemen, and nurses and doctors. They're just normal people. What if a teacher wake up and say, I'm just going to take a personal day off because they didn't call a snow day like they should have. So I'll just use one of my personal days off because I have a family. And I'll be afraid to drive on the road. And people like myself that work in manufacturing, but just like doctors and nurses, we're always at work. We had work today, but no one showed up. Last night we had 14 people call off in building number 2. So I was sent to building number 2 to help them out. It was my pleasure. We had fun. We turned a boring night into fun. And the day shift, they came and relieved us at 6 a.m. My building only one person showed up to work. No supervisor, no nothing. So that employee automatically to be sent to building number 2. And building number 2 had no employees. Just a few. But not enough to run the line, not enough to run the machinery, not enough to do the production. So what they gonna do? Run a half a day, thank them for coming, buy them lunch. You buy them lunch, most likely gonna be pizza. This is bad. This is a car right in front of U-Haul on South Detroit Avenue. It must have stalled because it's buried in snow. And when I make this turn, I'm gonna be right here on South Detroit Avenue and Glendale Avenue. South Detroit and Glendale Avenue by the fire department. And the firemen are out shoveling in the driveway to get inside the fire station. I just missed my turn.